I would like to bid good morning to all my countrymen. Good afternoon rather, because 1:30 is going by. See that it was yesterday that Modi's government got 7 years completed, and everyone is weighing the success rate of Modi's government in last 7 years. Undoubtedly, this goes without saying, or this is grossly self-evident, that Mr. Modi is a staunch worker who works tirelessly just for the sake of the welfare of his nation. He has enhanced multifold the reputation of India in Western countries as well, in Arabian countries, and by and large throughout the entire world. He has been quite strong on certain fronts right from the beginning, and it has been in his nature that he never succumbs to the pressure. Well, our opposition is trying to malign his image without having any legitimate ground. Freedom of expression is undoubtedly there, it is everybody's constitutional right, but freedom of expression means that some kind of limitation, some kind of confinement. Though limitlessness must also be limited to a certain extent. When I do go through the statement of some of the opposition leaders, I am taken completely aback, totally dumbfounded, ashamed that they they cross each and every limit of bashfulness. This must not be so. See that we have got such a vitiated vision that we simply try to see the vices of others. Is it right? Is it legitimate? It is required. Fact of the matter is that we must also have the courage of appreciating the good works of the government. We cannot simply lay at rest by saying simply that every responsibility of government, since they are assuming the governmental office. Some duties are also of the citizens. And because we people are becoming simply right prone, that was why it was felt at the top level that certain fundamental duties were also added to the Constitution in 1976 in the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. So this is undoubtedly an emerging critical phenomenal fact of the Indian society, that we people are simply become rights prone and not the duties prone. And we feel ourselves to be at a rejoicing point by saying simply by just shifting the responsibility to others, by just passing the buck. This must not be so. Mr. Modi is also a human being. His government is functioning well. On certain counts, you see, because of the emergence of this pandemic disease, people are becoming the victim, and some terrific things are going on throughout media, because media is also creating a havoc, though you see that everything is having dual aspect. On the one hand, media is also doing good work by cautioning the people that they must take certain precautions, but at the same time you see that people are getting terrified. So what is needed essentially at this point of time is that media must also restrain itself in spreading the news of the mortality, fatality, because that positivity will naturally have positive emblem in the mind and heart of the general masses. Well, I was talking about 7 years completion of Modi's government, and you see, it really makes me feel quite happy that in case we do happen to visualize the work of Mr. Modi summatively and collectively, then we simply become of the opinion that he has really been very, very instrumental, very, very positive, very heavyweight in dealing with the matters. Though he may be failure on certain counts, but you see, after all, they are also the human beings, and to err is human, to forgive divine. But broad-mindedness and broad-heartedness must always be there. Our opposition, you see, looks to be proving this fact 100% legitimized of Francis Bacon when he said that politics is the last resort of a scoundrel. Politics should not be so. See, we must have the courage of appreciating, of magnifying the good works of the governmental quarters also. So what I want to make Mr. Modi sir feel that people are really vitiated, they are feeling devastated at the inflationary count, because inflation is going by leaps and bounds, and it is virtually become next to impossible for a layman to survive, those who are daily wage earners. In fact, you see that edible oils and other articles are going to get inflated day by day. See, it is also being felt in every quarter of the society, virtually those who have got some sort of understanding that for 65 days there was no enhancement in petroleum products. When government argues that petroleum prices are being fixed only into the international market, in accordance to the international market, then what happened to the international market for 65 days when no price enhancement was there? Had the market slapped? And as soon as the elections were over, it certainly awoke. These kind of arguments are not going to work. You must come out with certain legitimate facts which are really striking and true in nature. Well, I have drafted certain lines on the 7 years of Modi's work completion, and I do hope that you will enjoy them. I'm not an Andhbhakt, because I do think the thing somewhat deep-rootedly from the core of my heart, and I won't shirk back in criticizing or inflaming even our NDA government in case I found them to be lacunary somewhat or somewhere. And you'll find this thing just depictable in these lines. मोदी तुम आस का मोती हो और आँखों का भी तारा हो, करोड़ों भारतीयों के मन में तुम बहती हुई प्राणधारा हो। 7 साल में जो काम किए जो 60 साल में हो न सके, कश्मीर विलय भारत में पूर्ण और गद्दारों पे फंदे कसे, देह या धन के आकर्षण ने तुमको कभी पथ से न विचलित किया, बस त्याग और निस्वार्थ सेवा को तुमने तन और मन से जिया। विपदाओं में संघर्षों से तुमने मुंह ना मोड़ा कभी, सच पर कायम रहकर तुमने धूर्तों को है परास्त किया। निर्मलता और निडरता की तुम बहती पावन धारा हो, मोदी तुम आस का मोती हो और आँखों का भी तारा हो। तुम्हें देशभक्तों ने सम्मान दिया, सत्ता की कुर्सी पे काबिज किया, तुमने भी अपने कर्तव्यों का निज दृढ़ता को साथ है पूरा किया। इस महामारी ने देश की प्रगति को पटरी से है उतार दिया, और गद्दारों ने भी आग में ईंधन डालने का काम किया। ये फर्ज आप पर आयद है शंकाओं का समाधान भी हो, करोड़ों भारतीयों के मन में तुम बहती हुई प्राणधारा हो। महंगाई की मार गरीबों को है चौतरफा अब मार रही, आमदनी है घटी और कीमतें भी बेताशा अब हैं भाग रही। रोए गरीब घर के कोने में कैसे 2 रोटी का जुगाड़ करे, सरकारी सुविधाओं से इनको भ्रष्टाचारी है वंचित करे। नहीं भूख से मरे कोई भी अब सरकार की ये जिम्मेदारी हो। इस अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी ने सीमाओं को है पार किया, गद्दारों ने देशभक्तों के सिर पर फिर से है प्रहार किया। देश से द्रोह करने वालों को अब सबक सिखाना ही होगा, और आस्तीन के सांपों के फन काट दिखाना ही होगा। गद्दारों की जगह जेल में हो और कोई भी ना दूसरा चारा हो। नैतिकता और सच्चाई अब सामाजिक पटल से गायब हुई, हर फन से पैसा आ जाए बस यही सोच अब आम हुई। खत्म हुई संवेदना अब और हृदय हैं इस्पात हुए, जीवन बचाने वालों ने ही पैसा और जीवन छीन लिए। संस्कारों की कार्यशाला में विद्यालयों की भागीदारी हो। मोदी तुम आस का मोती हो और आँखों का भी तारा हो, करोड़ों भारतीयों के मन में तुम बहती हुई प्राणधारा हो। 7 सालों में जो काम किए जो 60 साल में हो न सके, कश्मीर विलय भारत में पूर्ण और गद्दारों पे फंदे कसे।